More power, more cuts, less time. The Ryobi One Plus brushless chainsaw delivers exactly that. With innovative brushless motor technology and a 12-inch bar, it'll make quick work of logs and limbs around the yard. The optimized battery performance and lightweight design gives larger chainsaws a run for their money. And with the convenient toolless chain tensioning and an automatic chain oiler, there's nothing to slow you down. Ryobi One Plus brushless chainsaw, part of the Ryobi One Plus family, compatible with over 100 tools, sold exclusively at the Home Depot.
Get gas performance without the hassles. Rule the outdoors with the 18-volt X2 LXT brushless chainsaw. It's powered by two 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. That means no gas, lower noise, less maintenance, and zero emissions. The chainsaw has a Makita-built outer rotor brushless motor direct drive system that provides high power efficiency equivalent to a gas chainsaw. It has a variable speed trigger, so you can set the speed to the application. Other features include a built-in LED on-off switch with auto power-off function, which automatically shuts the saw off when operation is delayed for extended battery life. The chainsaw features extreme protection technology, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. With the fastest charge times, Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.
The DeWalt FlexVolt 60V Max chainsaw has a powerful and efficient brushless motor delivering gas performance with runtime of up to 70 cuts per charge on a 6x6. The low kickback 16-inch Oregon bar and chain has auto oiling for continuous lubrication and a tool-free tensioning system for quick bar and chain adjustments. DeWalt FlexVolt batteries automatically change voltage when you change tools, working with 20V Max tools and chargers, and providing longer runtime when used with 20V Max tools. It starts with the pull of the trigger, eliminating the cold starts and carburetor issues that can come with gas-powered chainsaws. DeWalt FlexVolt, power without gas.
Introducing the 14.5 amp 18-inch corded chainsaw from Greenworks Tools. With a high-quality 18-inch Oregon bar and chain, this chainsaw is perfect for cutting branches and thick logs. Quickly and conveniently adjust the chain's tension without any tools necessary, thanks to the quick adjustments knob, so you can immediately get back to the task at hand. The automatic oiler keeps the bar and chain lubricated and ensures the durability and extends the life of the chain. Easily keep an eye on the oil level thanks to the translucent oil tank. Comfortably and easily clear debris and cut at multiple angles thanks to the convenient wraparound handle. The metal bucking spikes provide added grip when cutting down a tree. Confidently get through all of your work with increased safety thanks to the built-in chain brake. The 14.5 amp 18-inch corded chainsaw from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
Timbers are 8 inches wide by 13, 14 inches tall. The Milwaukee chainsaw with a 16-inch blade. It had plenty of power,
I definitely did not expect it to work like it does.
We cut everything from our power poles to we've cut oak trees down now with it, and goes right through perfectly. It never bogs down. It actually performs better than we think than the gas ones do.
The Milwaukee chainsaw lets me cut any kind of hardwood, any diameter that I run up against. It cuts faster than a gas.
The Milwaukee chainsaw cut really fast, really swift through the big timbers that we're using on this job site.
The M18 fuel chainsaw far exceeds anything we've ever used. The long run time, the torque, it performs well above what we possibly could have expected.
I was impressed with the 12.0 battery. Charges quick, lasts a long time, and kept the power.
The 12.0 batteries cut through all day long without slowing down or anything.
The battery life on that Milwaukee saw was phenomenal.
It's a quiet tool. Everybody can talk while we're working, keep the fumes down. It was everything we needed.
If I had a choice between a gas-powered and the Milwaukee chainsaw, I would take the Milwaukee chainsaw.
Few things are as satisfying as making your own pile of wood. So before you get to work, let's meet your equipment. Let's get to know the basic parts of a chainsaw. Here we have a Remington Outlaw. On this side we have the front and rear handles, chain brake lever and front handguard, the bar retaining nuts, and the tension adjustment screw. Back here we have the start and stop switch, primer bulb, choke lever, and you access the air filter here. And on this side we have the bucking spike, starter handle, throttle lockout and throttle control, and fuel and oil goes here. Over here on the business end we have the guide bar and bar tip and your saw chain. Okay, now you know your way around a chainsaw, so let's get started. Before starting your saw, remove all children and pets from the area, even the ones that want to help. Then make sure the saw is fueled up and the chains tensioned and oiled. We'll get to how to do those things later. When you're ready to start, always start a chainsaw on the ground. Make sure the chain brake is disengaged. Switch it to on. Press the primer bulb 10 times to get fuel into the carburetor. Pull the choke knob out and watch so you don't touch the throttle control. Now put your left hand on the front handle and with your right foot step on the boot loop to hold the saw in place. With the choke on, pull the starter rope 5 times, firmly and steadily, getting fuel into the engine. You may even hear a pop, so you know it's ready. Push the choke knob in, making sure you get the right fuel-air mixture. Now, pull the rope 3 to 5 more times to start the saw. Your chain will be spinning at fast idle, so press your throttle lockout and release the trigger to stop the chain. Let it warm up. About 30 seconds should do it. Unless it's cold, then give it a minute. Ready to go to work? Just press the throttle lockout and squeeze the trigger. To stop the saw, release the throttle control and let the engine idle. Then move the switch to the stop position. Make sure you wait for the chain to come to a complete stop. In the event you need to stop the chain immediately, push the chain brake lever and handguard forward, then move the switch to the stop position. Well, that covers starting and stopping. Now, if you want to know more about operating and maintaining your chainsaw, try one of these.